Bekunganakususwa kwenyawo ngeholweni lomphakathi ethemba lethu njengoba ilutsha beliphume ngobuningi balo ukuzokulalela nokuthula inlilo zabo ngaphakathi kweprogram ebeyibanjwe badosi phambili bembusweni kanye nebesiphethamthetho i-Youth Parliament Program ebeyidoswa phambili nguDesmond Maila ongusihlalo weSkopa ngaphakathi kwesiphethamthetho seMpumalanga kanye noMata Malipeng ongusihlalo wePortfolio Committee on Finance ngaphakathi kwesiphethamthetho. Ngaphakathi kwayo iprogram le usihlalo omsebenzi ngokubambisana ngaphakathi kwekomiti ejamele zevikeleko eMpumalanga i-Joint Standing Committee on Defence uMalusi Gigaba ukhuthaza ilutsha bonyana lizibandakanye khulu ngaphakathi kwamahlelo kahulumende azimiselwe ukuvula imisebenzi nokuthuthukisa ilutsha khulukhulu. Nangu uGigaba uyazikhulumela.
Also the challenges that lie ahead. We face complex challenges, including the triple crisis of high unemployment, inequality and poverty, which are accompanied by the skills mismatch. The African Continental Free Trade Area presents opportunities for youth-led development, innovation and entrepreneurship. By harnessing the energy and enterprise of technology, we can build a better country, continent and the world, as well as harnessing the united action of the African continent to build potentially the biggest human natural capital and intellectual resources in the world. The African Continental Free Trade Area provides a unique opportunity to interact with potential global partners, policymakers, and business leaders to advance Africa's cause.
Malusi Gigaba uragele phambili wathi izipi ezenzakalako emazweni wangaphandle enarheni zangaphandle kufaka hlangana ipi ye-Ukraine neRussia, iGaza nePalestine kanye neye-DRC azikalungi ngombana zithikameza kukhulu umnotho wenarha ezisebenzisana nazo khulukhulu ngokurhwebelana. Lokhu ke kufaka hlangana inarha yeSouth Africa. Uthi lokhu kuthikameza kukhulu ukuthi ke kuvuleke ungidlondlobala komnotho begodu kuvuleke namathuba omsebenzi. Nangu uGigaba uyazikhulumela.
The speeches must end. The UN Security Council must realize that no matter how much Israel attacks the people of Palestine, they will not go away. In actual fact, the ongoing conflict in Palestine threatens peace and stability in the Middle East, and it threatens peace and stability for the Israeli people themselves. The people of Palestine also deserve peace, and we must continue to express our solidarity, our unwavering solidarity with the people of Palestine without condition, without any condition. We must say that as South Africa, we will forever side with the people of Palestine as we continue to identify ourselves with those anywhere in the world who are oppressed, who are colonized, who are victims of injustice.
Hlangana kwengikhulu bezikhona bezikhambele iprogram leyo yokukhuthaza kwabantu abatsha. Bekukhona nondunankulu wesifunda seMpumalanga ubaba uMandla Ndlovu. Kanti ke undunankulu ukhuthaza ilutsha bowalulubeza bonyana kuqhakathekile ukuthi likhambele amaprogram afana nala ngombana kungiwo akwazi ukuletha ingikhulu zembusweni kanye namanye ama-stakeholders eduze ukuze ilutsha nakwenzekako libe nemibuzo bakwazi ukubuza ngaleso sikhathi begodu baphenduleke ngaleso sikhathi ngemininingwana ezeleko. Undunankulu ubuye waragela phambili waqinisekisa ilutsha bonyana zonke inlilo elilila ngazo sizokuphenduleka begodu ke zizoba liqiniso ngombana kuzoba nensombululo zakhona ngesikhathi esingaphelisi ihliziyo. Nangu undunankulu weMpumalanga uMandla Ndlovu uyazikhulumela.
I want to declare that your resolutions are going to be implemented by this government. The Youth Development Fund program in the office of the Premier should be led by a young lion. That was the resolution that was taken in 2022 and is still your resolution today. Yes, this resolution is going to be implemented by our government. of government procurement opportunities are set aside for young people. Again, let me declare in front of you without biting my tongue, without twiddling my wings, that also this resolution is going to be implemented here in Mpumalanga. Office must ensure that the Youth Development Fund is equitably distributed to the 3 districts in the province. This is the resolution that was taken today, but we repeat this resolution that we took 2 years or 3 years ago in your youth parliament. This resolution also is going to be implemented here in Mpumalanga.
Kusenjalo, isekela likaSomlomo ngaphakathi kwesiphethamthetho seMpumalanga uSam Obama Masango uthi basiphethamthetho ngokubambisana nohulumende sele balemukile bonyana inkinga ekhona kusikuthi imisebenzi iyahlogeka. Kodwana ke kuhlayelwa kolwazi ekungilo elinzinzileko ekufuzeke lifike ebantwini, ilwazi lokuthi ngengimiphi iminyango ekufuzeke abantu bayekiyo bayokokoda namkha imithombo ekufuzeke abantu bayivakatshele ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola amathuba wemisebenzi namkha amahlelo wokuthuthukisana avela kuhulumende esiphethamthethweni kanye kamanye ama-stakeholders akhona. Yeke basiphethamthetho ngokubambisana nohulumende kanye namanye ama-stakeholders beze esitjhabeni ukuzokwabelana ngamahlelo afana nalawo. Nangu uSam Obama Masango uyazikhulumela.
Umisi we-Public Works wenza ibizelo elikhulu umhlonisho uThomo ukuthi wonke abantu abatsha abanehuluphelo abalandele imigamo yeBisargate ndeni-ke bahlukanise lento yokuthi ezinye izinto awuzithathi ngoba wayi-democratic country. You need to go and apply and also understand the market value ezikhona ngaphakathi and also consult la udinga khona ihelebho lokuthi uhlaziyelwe into ukuze uyazi bonyana uyifaka kanjani kuma-pricing and ukompitha kanjani nabanye ngoba wayi-democratic country angeke sikwazi ukuthi lokhu nalokhu kulokha. But into eyikhulume khulu MEC ngile kune-NYS, National Youth Program lapha kuye ekhuthaza abantu abatsha bafaka ngaphakathi kuma-project and okwesibili isakhabakhi project ethi abantu abatsha bathomako ukusukuma phasi nokwakha ku-construction, road development and so forth. Uyababa ukuthi basondele babandakanye kakhulu ku-department yakhe ngoba zizinto ezikhona ahlose ukuthi zibe nazo. U-MEC we-health upresent amathuba amaningi abanolwazi nanyana abanale healthcare abafuna ukuyenzela emakhaya abavele ngaphambili ukuthi nakuthi nasikhona siba ukwenza lokho and baye lapha kulama PCO. Kwesine ke ilegislature yona iyodwa ilegislature iyawenza ama-advert ama-internships yona iyodwa ibiza abantu abatsha abaningi. Siba ukuthi abantu abatsha bazithwenye kule 7 administration sizama ngakoko kusemandleni. In fact ipriority yethu bring the young people to the front. Sihuluphela ukuthi abantu abatsha abaningi ababandakanye ku-government i-Premiers Fund. I-Premiers Fund ifunda abaningi nawe uyababona abanye bakhona lapha nabo abantu abatsha bathi siyabazi laba Premier.
Kazi nelutsha nalo lukwazile ukuveza amazizo walo ngayo iprogram le. Nali ilutsha liyazikhulumela.
As the current stats issue here in Mpumalanga have over 34% of young people who are unemployed, and we've currently suffered over 400,000 jobs from mining sector. So Migos business taking out our frustration from the executive, they are not doing anything to secure jobs for young people. Rather, they are only retrenching young people and taking them back to poverty. Okunye esibhizi sikhuluma ngabo la ukuthi abantu abancane abasha abafana njengathi bangancedeka kanjani kulama department afana nabo Mega, kulama department afana nabo MRTT, kulama department abo tourism na wonke ama department bo youth Premier Youth Development Fund ukuthi abantu abasha bakhona kufika kanjani lama letisite abathola kanjani from those department. So we're trying to raise our issues, trying to make our views be heard, because we're speaking on behalf of all dejected young people in Mpumalanga as the EFF Youth Community.
Manje bengisacela kuphila ukuthi kulo 2% akenze i-committee ezambhekelela lapho masipala ukuthi kuyenzeka yini ngoba akwenzeki le police abayibhalela ngaphansi ayifiki kithi and ayisijabulisi thina kodwa mayebhala ipolice under pressure bathi siyabenefit manje ngicela ukuthi kube ne-program ezogadelela bonke nama-departments i-disability nama-supply iyawathola indama-2.
Into yokuqala kufuna ukuthi uyenze in order to develop the nation is to invest more in education. We have called for the establishment of a TVET college in Mkhondo, in Kharisibande, because Mkhondo is the only sub-region without a college. We've also called for the implementation of the establishment of the TVET college in Victor Khanye and Thembisilehani local municipalities. Those are some of the issues that we are saying, and also calling for the revival of Marapiane College, the Elijah Mango College, as well as the Mgwenya College, because those colleges, we know quite a number of young people will be absorbed there, thus making sure that the pool of skilled young people in the province iyakhula nayo.
Nobukhosi nabo buthi bozoqinisekisa ngamandla bonyana uhulumende utshala nzunzwanyana ekutheni kuvuleka amathuba omsebenzi nokuthi kuvuleka ama-program okufundisana ukuthi ke kwabelwane ngelwazi ukuze ilutsha lokwazi ukuthola amathuba omsebenzi nokuthola amathuba wamahlelo okuthuthukisana avela kuhulumende kanye namanye ama-stakeholders akhona. Nango okhulumela ubukhosi inkosi uMahage wesibili uyazikhulumela.
Ehlangothini lekepisi yobukhosi necontrolesa city abantu abatsha ama-resolutions abawathatha lapha ngaphakathi akuba ma-resolutions azokwenza ukuthi umbuso ukateleleke, because it's not a question yokuthi umbuso omdele ucabange lokho, is in terms of the law ukuthi umbuso omdele uimplemente lokho. Nawo-ke njengobukhosi sifisa ukuthi umbuso lokho ukuthathe njengegadango eliqinisekileko ukwenzela ukuthi abantu abatsha bakwazi ukuthi bathuthukiseke. Kwesibili, umlayezo esingawudlulisela embusweni ukuthi umbuso ukatelelekile ukuthi ucreate a platform noma indlela enothileko ukuthi abantu abatsha bathi nebaphilako ephasini apha bakwazi ukuzithola bawathola lamathuba. Ukuthi they must create intentionally ama-programs azokuthuthukisa abantu abatsha, understanding i-background yomuntu onzima eSouth Africa, ukuthi sizama ukuvala igebhe yeminyaka eminingi ye-affirmative action ngesikhathi sombuso webandlululo. Manje-ke njengoba sikhuluma nje kuyavela ukuthi abantu abatsha beSouth Africa bangehla kwe-35% abahlezi ekhaya bangasebenziko, and abantu abatsha laba balikusasa and baphinde bayi-present yethu namhlanje. Kuyafanele ukuthi-ke nesifuna ukuba nelizwe eliphilileko nelivikelekileko, we must be serious ngokuthuthukisa abantu abatsha. But asigcini lapho mntwana kwethu kunendlu yobukhosi lapha eMpumalanga ebizwa ukuthi House of Traditional Leaders ephethwe yinkosi uMkwena. Kukatelelekile ukuthi nawo-ke amakhosi ahlezi kuleyo ndlu leyo basukume ngokusezingeni eliphezulu ukuhlala kiwo woke ama-committee, because in terms of stakeholders engagement lapha eMpumalanga province amakhosi la akatelelekile ukuthi woke ahlale ama-committee nakahleziko.
Nebezempilo nabo bebakhona bazokugada isimo njengoba bekugqwele nje. Yeke bakwazile nokuhlomisa abantu ngengikhali zamalungwa ukuthi bakwazi ukuzivikela lokho abayepini. Endabeni zeNkangala District Online News, ngingu-Emmanuel Kosinato wakamThimunye. Ngibika ngingeholweni lomphakathi eThemba Lethu ngaphasi komasipalata weThembisilehani eMpumalanga.